Travel Tip Tuesday! Why are you hit pause?
I'm not.
Okay. So, Travel Tip Tuesday, guys. Today's tip, if you can tell, we're at a gas station. And we just pulled up. It's $2.86 here. We were just at another gas station, literally a mile and a half down the road. And it was $2.98. So that's a difference right there of 14 cents a gallon. And then with the Gas Buddy app, which is our Travel Tip Tuesday tip, with Gas Buddy, I did a quick search at the other gas station and found that this has a 10-cent discount on top of the $2.86 price. So it's going to be literally like 25 cents cheaper than the other place. And it was a mile and a half down the road on the direction we were already going. So check out Gas Buddy. I'm not sponsored or anything. There's a free tier, which is what I use, but there's also like a $10 a month thing that you can use to save more. And they give you other benefits. I don't know what those are. You check them out. We don't stop.
Okay.
Don't hit stop again.
Okay.
Okay? This is Travel Tip Tuesday. This is how we do. So check out Gas Buddy. You can verify the prices and stuff, and then have chances to win like $100 gas cards and stuff. But yeah, they give you. Oh, let me check out. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Why'd you say this is an impromptu Travel Tip Tuesday?
It definitely is. So you'll get a Gas Buddy. Can you see that Gas Buddy fuel card when you sign up? And so you hit activate, which I just swiped away. You hit activate. And then I've got a 5-minute or 4-minute to activate this guy over at the pump, and I'll save my money. So, and Gas Buddy keeps track of all of it and then gives you your savings for each month and everything like that. So, it's been really great. We've been using it for a couple months. We might kick up to the pro level and save more when we're traveling more here in the new year. But that's your Travel Tip Tuesday. I don't know what else to say, guys. Try out Gas Buddy. I'm not sponsored. Travel Tip Tuesday.
How about thanks for watching?
Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we will never edit this out.